Hi friends, let's make 10-minute paneer butter masala for today's lunchbox. Take tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri chilli powder, Garam masala powder, turmeric powder, salt, sugar. Grind it into a puree. Heat butter in a pan. Add in cumin seeds. Add the ground masala. Cook it for 5 minutes till the raw smell leaves. Add in more water and bring everything to a boil. Add in your paneer cubes. Mix well and finish it with some kasuri methi and fresh cream. That's it, your paneer butter masala is done. I have shared the recipe for homemade paneer butter masala, regular paneer butter masala and the soft chapati which I am packing now. All the links for the recipe is in the description box below. Kindly check it out. So now let's pack the lunch box. I'm adding the paneer butter masala, carrot and chapati. This is what I packed in my kids' lunchbox today. Kindly check the links I have given in the description for the complete recipe. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.